10 minutes of work. Same character. Multiple different scenes. Fully animated. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact workflow that makes this possible. And if you want to go even deeper into AI ads, I also have a paid AI ads mastery course. The link is in the description. The biggest problem with AI-generated videos. Consistency. One great shot, then the next generation gives you a completely different character. I've solved this. Today I'm showing you my exact workflow for perfect character consistency across unlimited scenes, using Nano Banana and Google Veo 3.1. Let's get into it. Step 1. Create your foundation character. Every great workflow starts with a strong base. Open Flow and enter your character prompt. Set the output to image, landscape orientation, and select Nano Banana Pro as your model. Once it generates, make sure the result is a full body shot. This is your foundation, the single source of truth for everything that follows. Step 2. Generate a character reference sheet. Now we need to capture our character from every angle. I've linked a document in the description with all the prompts you'll need. Go grab it now. Copy the reference grid prompt. Back in Flow, attach your base character image to the prompt. Paste the text, keep the same model and landscape settings, and hit Generate. What comes back is a 9-panel grid showing your character from every critical angle. Front view, 3/4 turn, side profile, back view, high angle, low angle, facial close-up, full body, and an action pose. Same facial structure, same costume, same proportions, every single panel. Step 3. Generate scene sequences. Now the real magic begins. Copy the scene sequence prompt from the document. At the end of the prompt, replace the scene description placeholder with your own scene details. For our first example, I'm using high-speed bike pursuit. In Flow, attach both your character sheet image and your original base image to the prompt. Paste the full prompt, keep the same settings, and generate. What you get is a 3x3 grid, 9 different shots from that one scene. Wide angles, close-ups, action moments, dramatic compositions. And the character? Identical in every single frame. Let me show you this across multiple scenes. Second scene, skydiving above the city. New scene description, same process. Another 9 shots, completely different environment, same character. Third scene, wandering through an abandoned city. 9 more shots, different lighting, different atmosphere, different mood. The character stays locked in. This is the power of the workflow. The AI has your character's DNA embedded in both the reference sheet and the storyboard. So no matter how many scenes you generate, consistency is guaranteed. Step 4. Prepare your images for video. Pick the scene you want to animate. On the left side, find the crop tool and set it to landscape. Crop each individual shot you want to use. At once crop each scene you want to use. Once all the images are cropped, save them to your project. They'll now appear as independent images in your Flow workspace. Here's an important detail. These cropped images are low resolution and may contain text overlays, so we can't use them directly for video. Add them to a new prompt and use this exact phrase. High-quality image, no text. This cleans up the image and brings it to a usable resolution. Now, if your shot is a wide angle, the face might not be clearly visible. Here's the fix. Go back to your original base image, crop just the face area, and save that to your project as well. Now add the scene image and the face image together into one prompt and use this phrase. High-quality image, no text. Use reference face. You'll get a sharp, high-resolution image with consistent, accurate facial details. Step 5. Convert images to video. Now we bring everything to life. Add your prepared image to the prompt. Switch the output mode to video, select frames, and choose your preferred model. Then write a short prompt describing the action in the scene and generate. For connected sequences, add a second image as the end frame. One image at the start, one at the end, and Flow will generate a smooth transition between them. From there, take that last frame as your new start frame, add another end frame, and keep building. Shot by shot, you're creating a complete, flowing video sequence with a perfectly consistent character throughout. That's the full workflow. If you want to go deeper, AI ads, UGC videos, cinematic ads, and full campaign production, check out my AI Ads Mastery course. The link is in the description. And if you found this useful, subscribe for more free tutorials every week.